Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And today we're going to be taking a deeper dive into Ford's new technology, Ford Co-Pilot 360, as well as Ford Co-Pilot 360 Assist. That's right folks, new for 2019, Ford Co-Pilot 360 and Ford Co-Pilot 360 Assist are definitely going to give you a competitive advantage on the road. The Ford Co-Pilot 360 comes standard on all 2019 Ford Edges. That's right, whether you're getting the SE, the SEL, the Titanium, or the ST, you're going to get that Co-Pilot 360 standard. Now in that Co-Pilot 360, you're going to have the auto high beams. So again, if it's really dark in front of you and there's nobody in front of you, there's no lights coming at you, the vehicle's going to go ahead and turn on your high beams for you. Again, when it's real dark on the road, it's definitely going to be convenient. You don't have to worry about forgetting to turn them off as well. Also with the Co-Pilot 360, we do have the blind spot monitoring system. So if somebody's in your blind spot, a little amber light will show up in that mirror. Again, just basically saying don't change lanes because there's someone there that you just can't see. We also have the lane keeping assist. Lane keeping assist is going to be very convenient, where if you're on the highway or even just driving in the city, if you drift over that lane, it's actually going to vibrate the steering wheel at you and also bring you back into the lane. So again, just in case you've fallen asleep or anything like that, it's going to make sure that you're staying inside the lane. We also have pedestrian detection with automatic emergency braking. So if there's some, it's scanning in front of you the whole time, and if there's somebody that has slammed their brakes on for you in front of you, it's going to pre-charge those brakes. If you still don't hit your brakes and you're coming up real close to that vehicle, it's actually going to slam the brakes on for you. Because again, we all know that there are some times where, you know what, maybe we aren't paying exactly as much attention as we should be. So again, that's going to be very convenient. We also have the rear view camera. So again, with the cross traffic alert as well. So your backup camera is actually going to show up in this 8-inch touchscreen. And as you're backing out of a spot, say in a grocery store or anything like that, if somebody's coming this way and you just can't see them, there's a sensor that'll alert you that there's someone coming from either the right hand side or the left hand side that again you just can't see. Now, if you want to step up the technology a little bit more, that's when you step up to the Co-Pilot 360 Assist. This is going to give you some very autonomous features. So remember how I said you've got the lane keeping system with the Co-Pilot 360? When you add the assist, you actually have lane centering. So not only is it going to bring you back into the lane, it's actually going to try and center you in between those two lines as much as possible. Along with the lane centering, we also have adaptive cruise control with stop and go technologies. That means when you're on the highway, there's no longer a use to hit the brake or the gas. The vehicle will maintain the gap that you have set for the vehicle in front of you. There's 4 different gaps. And basically at that point, it'll just maintain that speed as long as the person in front of you is maintaining the speed as well. When they slow down, the vehicle will slow you down. When they pick up their speed, it'll pick you back up as well. We also have evasive steering. So again, if we're coming up on one of these vehicles that slammed their brakes, we have the ability to swerve around them very easily. And the other really nice thing as well is we do have the navigation built right into the touchscreen, and we do have cross-traffic alert with your Sirius satellite radio. So cross-traffic alert is actually really cool. It can show you ski conditions, it can show you weather conditions, it can show you movie times, it can show you scores for all your favorite sports. Definitely a really cool system, and again, that comes with the Co-Pilot Assist. So again, there's just a quick breakdown of the Co-Pilot 360 as well as the Co-Pilot 360 Assist. Definitely both very handy, but if you want a vehicle that's going to be a little bit more autonomous, that's when you step up to the Co-Pilot 360 Assist. Again, folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. If you have any questions about any of the features that were mentioned in this video, or you want to take one out for a spin for yourself and see what they actually offer, send me an email. We can certainly set you up with any information you're looking for. Again, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.